Bunge kaunti Meru rwarene kuthikiri rwarira kuritetene ngavana kaunti Kawira Mwangaza kirwariro rwaruthomi mutongerio bara maingi mbungene unaona ni MCO wa Demetongo Evans Mawira abunge baba nenda kuritetene ngavana Kawira no ntoba makosa mwanja kuri otumiri bodho kubwambia semwinge kwandika ntoba musiyo kwa yeri atongeria bangeteyo ate kayange ya maingi.
Frontline team is representing the governor's relatives as a technical team for purposes of travel to China to inspect and certify cancer treatment equipment, while knowing that the governor's relatives are not medical professionals. B. Employing Edwin Mutuma Murangiri, who is a nephew to the governor's husband, as the CEO of Meru Youth Service MYS and acting chief officer of the Department of Finance.
Wakiri Danstan Omari uraiwa kuthetera ngavana Kawira mbere mbunge kaunti ya Meru awete mbunge tena wathoba weta ngavana Omari aikinye mbere ya karobyayo kaitene ko Omari awete mbunge kaunti itiomba kwa mbethia ngavana no ntoba korea kwa thikira wathoba koti.
Question of purging content. I have said the county assembly lacks jurisdiction to punish a content done in a court of law. The county assembly has powers to punish content by the speaker expelling a member of parliament, by the speaker providing sanctions, understanding orders. That one is another legal question as we are raising for the honorable members of the county assembly. Another issue legal that we want to ascertain is the question of the role of the governor in appearing before this. It is a legal question. Does the assembly have the power to summon the governor?
Wakiri Elias Mutuma ora Kenya wako thetera ngavana Kawira bunge na kaunti ya Meru wetote okoyebwa kwana wakolikethia ngavana Kawira netere barabara rietwa ria mwene. Wakiri Mutuma weto okoyebwa boriti bunge ne ambokonie etiare borani mbisa emutandao ya Facebook ya ngavana Kawira otomeri ate barabara emwe ya Meru na rietwa ndia mukuru kwa mwere abaichu. Wakiri Mutuma weto ntomeri wa mutandao ya ngavana Kawira botare oma ngavana kasetha atamanisha burandikite mutandaone iyo na kiareria manto yakonie ngavana Kawira kwandika ntobo musiyoni na nire muri etiarira abunge ba kaunti ya Meru bawetetero arienero kuritetene ngavana Kawira Wakiri Omari awete Meru bonde ba musiyo mukotena musiye iyo abangavana Kawira na mesie enge mwanya.
Mr. Speaker, sir, issues were raised about the responsibilities and the question of nepotism. Allegation that she has employed her relatives. There was at one time only one man and one woman called Ameru. The genealogy and how the Ameru who are millions came up, they started from one person. So all of you are relatives. There was only one Kisi, all of us are relatives. So today, when you are saying this is a relative, to what level of it? Section 17 that has been used defines a relative. To what level of consanguinity? To what level? I've told you, all of you are relatives. That's why you are called Ameru. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Please, I would like you to clarify on this issue about the relatives. Because why am I saying that? Now, when you tell the Omari community that they are related, I don't understand. There must at least a clear definition who is a relative.
Na eso kiontobo MCO koloto mwenda kirinya yarete Wakiri Omari kwera Meru beba musiyo mbonde kwa Meru mwarekero muthuku kirinya akiwa kuringana na umenyo bwake mwira yo Meru yutete kirete antoba musiye yumo kurana.